What it do? What it do? Today is day 11 of the November challenge, so it's also my daughter's birthday party. So you might catch some noise in the background, right? We encountered a little problem. I'm in the community. We're in the community chat, and a couple people are saying it looks like Nike. I don't know if Nike changed their terms, and I hope we are not taking the biggest hit of MS because Nike is a big hitter. Nike, I love Nike. Nike has always been 10% plus for me. I encountered that problem I told you guys about yesterday where they returned it back to the credit card. And it looks like a few other people in the mentorship encountered a problem with Nike also. So I still have a couple Nike returns. If these do the same thing, Nike might be dead. We're just going to hope that Nike isn't dead. I can't guarantee it yet until I do these returns. I need more data. I need more, more understanding of what all is going on. But checking the app today, boy, we got a special. You guys know I don't typically like to double dip too often. I mean, if you got the multiple emails, then you can. It's fine. It doesn't matter. However, we got a 20% special today, and it only hurts me because I told you guys I'm only doing a $500 limit a day. If I was not doing this challenge, I would probably bust down like $25 to $5,000 on this 20% right here because that's immediate money. That's how you make your goal. Whenever you see big deals like this, anything over 10% is always golden. You want to go crazy on those. For the sake of the challenge, I'm going to keep my consistency. I'm only going to pop out $500 on this, but boy, 20% is insane. So let's get to it. Let's figure out what all is going on in the app, and then let's keep our consistency up. All right, we're on day 11. Go ahead and pop that down. So listen, hustlers, when I told y'all, man, I was excited today. 11. You see, you say get 11% cash back for singles. We got Nike at 11%. We got Finish on 11%. We're excited. We can go ahead and grab a 500. So I went and scrolled. I went and see y'all. And look at what I found. PetSmart, 20% cash back. This is the first time, I'll be honest with y'all, this is the first time I have ever seen anything over. I think the most I've ever seen was like 15% for like Black Friday deals and things like that. 20% is insane. I'm gonna just keep it up. I'm gonna just keep it 100 with y'all. You see all these 11%. This is like typically whenever we have like a special or something. Maybe Racket's going through something, but you can see it's a lot of stores at 11%, and I'm sure a lot of these stores work. But 20% is unheard of. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go to PetSmart. We're gonna go crazy. 20%, man. Jeez, you guys know I love you guys. I can't believe I'm only sticking to that 500, but 20% is insane. And as usual, you already know we're going straight over to our. I was gonna go to fish, but let's see what the new pet stuff looks like. I just want to grab something for 500. If we got to do another fish tank, we can do another fish tank. Let's see what do dogs have. Maybe dogs have a dog cage. That's a pretty expensive dog cage. Let's do cages or kennel. Single door, double door, wire crates. Kennels aren't that expensive. Kennels look like the smaller the kennel, the smaller the price. So kennels aren't that expensive actually. 150, that's not too bad. Soft-sided crates. Trying to find something. Outdoor kennel. Maybe outdoor kennel might have a little bit more. There we go, a little pricey. That's what I'm looking for. Outdoor kennel with cover. So that's $372. Shop by price. There's one. There's only one result. Okay, so 372. I am not doing a kennel. We're just gonna go straight back to our aquariums. We know we can get some $1,000 aquariums, but this is we are getting that. We're gonna look for something for 500. So by price again. More. I want a $500 to $1,000 aquarium. All right, 75 gallon. It's $5.99. Let's just grab this one. I know we grabbed the smaller one last time. Actually, let's go back. Where's that smaller one we got last time? We don't need to. 35 gallon, 40 gallon. So 30 gallon, E50. Let's do something small that's carryable. 35 gallon is not that big. I know I got that limit. I'm not supposed to go over that limit, but 20%. Can you really be mad at me? 20%. Yeah, I can't be mad at me, right? I'm just gonna assume you guys are saying go for it, KP, and I'm just gonna grab this one. All right, so I got my cart. Let me put you guys. Let's go ahead and check out. Check out as a guest. All right, so with taxes, it's gonna come up to a little over 700, but we gotta pull the trigger on this, man. It's 20%. All right, I'm still waiting for my confirmation email, but as you guys can see, we have a pending charge of the 7-Eleven here, and let's go in. It is from PetSmart. So we're good today. We have our purchase today, 20%, man. Rakuten, I couldn't pass it up. So thank you guys.